What's up mga pre? Now it's back to school time. Back in school, back to school time. In the Philippines, school year starts. And also, Sobi is included in that part because we still continue Sobi to put in school.
Yeah, you will go to school.
You want to go to school?
Yeah. So now we're going to buy
Your new school supplies.
school supplies, okay? Like pencils,
Papers.
ano ba, papers,
Well, it's just
envelope.
funny that the little kids need so many stuff actually to buy. She's just an O2, but required a lot. Back in Lithuania when I was, it was my favorite time of the whole year, and included Christmas. To
Yung
buy.
alin, yung bumili sa ano?
Yeah, oh my God. when
Ako
it's-
naman, parang may trauma ako kapag bumibili ng school supplies. Kasi parang, ay, pasukan na naman, tapos na yung bakasyon, like that.
ganun. No, I was always excited. When the school year ends, I'm like, oh my God, when it will start again, when it will start again, I need it now, like that. And always buying new books, new stuff. It was my favorite time. I even remember till now the new smell of freshly bought backpack.
And notebooks.
Yeah, I used to smell it. So
Okay.
now I don't need this, but at least I have someone that needs it now.
Let's go.
Or even back to school sa national.
Back to school. Ano yung mga bibili natin?
Ha?
Ano yung mga
Doon
bibili?
tayo muna. Here, we actually have long listahan. Ito.
Let's go, sabi. You
Yeah,
cannot
let's
ride.
go buy.
Let's buy. Come on. Anong ikaw nakakaalam kung ano mga bibili? O ikaw
Actually, the thing is that I don't understand anything in this listahan because we don't have like that. What is...
Mongol. Ibig sabihin pencil, yung pencil na yellow.
Kasi ang weird name.
Ayan.
That's what
May
is
number yan.
Mongol.
Mongol ano?
Excel.
Pero di ko alam. Baka ito
Ito
Excel.
na,
XL?
Excel. Ito na.
Excel. Okay, Excel.
Okay. Because last time when was Sobeys pasok, I bought everything mali. Like everything. And I gave that. Imagine if
Pero okay
Mercy-
lang din naman daw.
Hindi, they gave her.
Ha?
They gave her other stuff.
Okay.
It's like, not responsible mother.
So, binamimili rin na sa kanya. Ayun o. May nakita ka na ba kung anong gusto mo? Ha?
Jumbo crayons. O yan. Eraser,
Jumbo
jumbo crayons.
Hindi
And
ko lang,
marker.
siguro babae lang talaga yung nag-e-enjoy kapag papasok na. No?
Yeah.
Pag lalaki kasi parang
Because
tinatamad
imagine
kami.
a girl, she will buy the cutest notebooks,
Yun
she
nga
will,
eh.
the cutest pens. A guy, you black and white, and okay na yun. Here, I found the eraser there.
Sabi, come here. Nakita na ni mami mo.
Wow. Barbie eraser.
Sabi, do you like this? Barbie eraser? Ano mo, baka mamaya cute ka ng cute. Kaya niya bang gamitin? Baka mamaya hindi niya naman mabubuksan yan. Ay, sorry.
It's like lipstick.
So, okay yun.
Okay, let's take the case. Na hindi cute.
Ganun talaga, bata pa lang yan eh. Ang dapat purpose, yung madaling mabuksan, madaling
Honey, she
gamitin.
opens my lipstick perfectly well.
Okay, sige. Kung kaya niya naman.
Okay, jumbo crayons and black and white board marker there.
Ano nakasulat?
What is short bond paper?
Ha?
20 pieces. Over here.
20 pieces what?
Short bond paper.
Short bond paper, just normal
What is
paper,
bond
white
paper?
paper.
Paper. Ito.
Anong size? Short ba? Short bond paper. Yeah, anong size yan?
I don't know.
It's
How do-
A4.
How about
Ano?
it short? And then what is short?
I think it's 8.5 by 11. Ayan, short.
Construction paper.
Nasaan na yun? Tumatakbo. May upuan yan? Yan na lang. Yan mo ililipat na lang. Buti yan, may upuan.
Wala na. So I kulong her.
Para hindi siya makatakas.
She tumakas kasi. Hey, don't takas anymore. Don't run away. Yeah.
Let's go, di ka na makakatakas. Ang piraso.
4. Ilang bond paper to?
Check mo. Check mo. Ay, nakasulat. Ayun o. Yan,
No,
lang
kasi I
yan.
don't understand measurements in
Ayan.
Philippines.
Kasya ba?
Yeah,
4 na piraso?
yeah.
Okay.
Uy, why is it so stressful pala?
Ha?
Why is it stressful?
Bakit kala mo
Because
masaya?
no, it's like so like needed like so weird stuff. Kasi we don't have like that. A brown envelopes long.
Nandun na. Nilagay ko na.
Okay. Big glue. What is big glue? Is this big glue?
Malaking glue.
Is this big glue?
Hindi naman mukhang malaki yan eh. May malaki yung binili natin, meron tayo. Ayan o.
This?
Yeah!
You really think it's this?
Bakit? Ano bang nakasulat?
Big glue.
So, ito na kunin mo 500 pesos.
We do this.
What do you?
What's that? Huntrix?
Antrix.
Sophie's a fan. Should I show her that?
Don't. Di
Wala.
makikita niya.
Wala.
Pag hindi siya nakatingin, di ba?
Sige.
Buti hindi niya pa tayo naiintindihan masyado eh.
Yeah.
O hindi niya alam na siya yung pinag-uusapan
No,
natin.
she is not focusing.
Okay. Honey, I don't know if this is considered jumbo. Check mo.
Oh yeah, that's so big. That's the jumbo.
Considered jumbo? Check mo. Kasi meron siya, di ba? Kaya lang,
Yeah. It's jumbo.
yan. O sige, palitan ko na lang. Parang nakabukas ata ito eh. Okay.
Oops.
Yan. 1647.
1647. Not so. I thought, I don't know, that will be like 3 or something like that.
Hello. So okay na tayo. Total natin almost dahil hindi pa naman natin talaga
Not
nakompleto.
everything. It's
Parang
1,000 plus 700.
Parang nasa 2,000 din.
No, yeah, it will be, yeah.
Oh, parang ganoon din.
Now let's eat dinner. What do you mean, winapagod? Di ba, Sobe? Say, I'm tired.
Saan mo gustong kumain?
Sobe, say, I'm tired.
Are you tired, Sabi? Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Let's eat. Where should we eat?
And toilet.
In
In
toilet.
toilet? What do you want to eat? Filipino, Korean, Japanese. Mali. Korean, Japanese, Filipino. What do you want to eat? Korean, Japanese, Filipino.
Because you said Filipino last.
No, it's the same. Oh, look. What do you want to eat? Japanese, Filipino, Korean.
I see, trickster.
So, hindi. Ikaw na lang. Anong gusto mo? At na makakainin ni Sobi.
Japanese.
Japanese? Saan Japanese?
I don't know.
Sige, doon ka sa Japanese, sa Filipino ako. Magkita na lang tayo.
And sa Sobe sa
pagkatapos.
Korean.
Sa Korean. Papasok ka na? You're going to school na, Sobi? What? Mga pre, ayan yung itsura ng... Ayan. Ayan yung itsura ngayon, mga pre. Na habang di pa pumapasok si Sobi. Ganyan kami. Ha? Hindi, kumbaga, ganyan kasi talaga yung mas nagiging makulit si Sobi. Why are you so defensive? Di mo naman kasalanan yung kalat. Ikaw ba yung nagkalat? Hindi naman, di ba? Ano nga ba't nandamay pa ako? O, ganyan lang ka talaga kakulit ngayon si Sobi, mga pre. 1 minute, saglit lang, 5 minutes, naglalaro siya niyan, sunod niyan, eto na. Tapos sumunod niyan, iba na naman yung nilalaro niya. O, ganyan siya kakulit. Ganito rin pala talaga, no, kapag ano, no, walang screen time. Puro ganyan lang. Sabi, ano, are you going to school na? Di ba sabi mo gusto mo nang pumasok?
Now she's busy. She said she will just build this. But
Okay.
don't you see that?
Okay. Mga pre, excited kami dahil ito yung first day ni Sobi. First day of school again. Di ba, Sobi? It's your first day? Yes. Yes, busy ka talaga dyan, no? Sabi, di ka ba, excited sa mga bago mong classmate, teachers? Are you excited?
She just in the mode of building.
Ah, okay. So, busy ka lang talaga. Are you busy? Ha? Are you busy? Mukhang nga. Lagi na ako. Mga pre, naglagay kami nito ng sticker. Kasi di ba pinaglalagay sila ng sticker sa mga gamit niyo. You want this? Kung gusto nyo magpagawa nitong sticker, mga pre, sa pangalan, para malagay nyo ng pangalan lahat ng mga gamit nyo, lalagay ko dito, mga pre. Ayan, sa pinsan ko yung business na yan.
Show the tag also.
Oh, ayun. Saka ito, may tag din to, sa bag. Kung gusto nyo magpagawa. Ay, ito, kung gusto nyo may tag yung bag ng anak nyo para hindi mawala, ilalagay ko dito, yung link sa description, lalagay ko rin yung link sa description para pwede kayo magpagawa agad. Mabilis lang yan, gagawa agad nila kayo yan.
You're so cute. Want to wear your bag na? One more picture for the memories. Bakit hindi ko masaya? Smile! Smile!
How about here? Can you smile?
Also in the camera.
Can you smile?
Remove this.
Smile! Wow! You look like Maya. Yeah, Misha's anak. Mukha siya mga pre ng pinsan niya.
Yeah, she does.
Right? Mukha siya ng pinsan niya eh. Hindi lang blonde.
Oh my god, I'm so stressed.
Ano lang yan, siguro ganito lang sa unang araw lang kasi
No,
napasok.
because we were so busy the other day. Let's go, Dada.
Okay, okay. Let's go. Tapos, ito yung gamit ni Sobi rin. May mukha siya. Sobi, give me that. It's nice.
Good morning. Here. Okay na yan?
Okay.
We will just even her?
Yeah.
I'll just give
There is other items to follow up.
Okay.
Is that okay? Okay, you can na. She will cry soon, right?
Sige, sige. Later, okay? Later.
See you soon. Don't cry, my angel. Bye.
Bye-bye! Okay, time to clean mga pre. Yan. Sino nagsabing magpapahinga pag uwi? Ang dami niyang kalat, oh. Kompleto, no? Oh. Pahinga ka na muna.
Ano ba yun na?
Ako nang bahala, mabilis ako dyan. Oh.
Honey, this is ours.
O, tignan mo, dadagdagan mo
Like
pa na. Instead na oo na lang gagawin mo, di ba? Makikipag-away ka pa.
You really need to stress me after. You see me, I'm red. I'm red from anger and hate. No, honey, I also like cooking kasi. I also like
O, di ko na maglinis. Ako na lang...
for him.
Oo.
No, try you make coffees.
Ako gagawa ng kape.
Yeah, and then I will drink well.
Hindi, tulungan na kita.
Okay, let's go.
Hawak mo na lang to.
How will I clean?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Where are you going?
Ano yun?
Sorry, stop. Hindi ako.
Yan, relax na muna kami ni Vika. Kape-kape muna.
Well, just coffee time, but it's always not here.
Pero nalinis na namin, medyo okay na. Nakita ko sa inyo
Yeah, a
yan.
little bit less. Nukani ba yung labakad pa doon?
Iba naman yan, hindi naman yung kaninang kalat ni Sobi compare kanina, oh, di
But
ba?
still, this is color.
Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo naman yung after naman, yung pagdating naman uli ni Sobi.
Oh my God.
Normal pala yun, no? Kaya pala yung sila papa
They
saka
say-
sila mama laging galit sa amin.
Yeah.
Pag wala kami, malinis. Pag nandun kami, marumi. Kaya pala sinasabi nila, napakalaking, wala namang problemang magkalat. Pero napakalaking tulong na inililigpit mo yung kalat mo.
Yes, that's so true. But they say when the kid is doing the kalat, it's good for their development.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean
I
like,
think I need to develop more.
no, it's for a kid only
Ah,
applicable,
okay.
not for an adult.
Maya-maya, sunduin na rin namin si Sobi mga pre. Kasi sa school nila, actually, meron silang full day. Tinanong ko si Bika kung gusto niya ba yung full day.
Because it's not like common in Philippines full day.
Ngayon lang din ako nakakita ng
Na may
ganun
full day.
dito. Kasi di ba madalas walang
Yeah, it's
full day.
already called the daycare. Because on
Oh,
us,
daycare talaga.
we don't have options like here, like few hours only. On us, it's whole day. From morning till like 4 p.m.
Yun.
So when I heard that here it's only a few hours, I was like, so weird and stuff.
Kasi sa elementary, high school, yan. Ano naman, normal naman na full day yan. Kasi di ba may hapon talaga. Sa bata lang talaga, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganun dito sa Pilipinas na meron palang whole day dito na
That they
sila
will sleep there.
magpapatulog. Yun, may higaan sila, may sarili silang higaan. Eh, ayaw ni Bika.
No, I want to spend time with my baby. Maliit pa siya sa ganyan. For me.
Pero tinatanong kasi nila kung may yaya ba kayo. Kasi tingin ko yung mga nag-a-avail ng ganun is walang yaya.
Yeah, siguro.
Di ba? Tapos talagang kailangan nila magtrabaho, iniiwan nila.
No, but we're always with Sophie. We're always together. We
Ang
have
pinaganda
fun.
sa amin, nakakapagtrabaho kami kahit ano, kahit kasama namin si Sol,
Yeah,
nakakapagtrabaho kami. Pagla-live selling, tapos ganito.
And Sophie's even helping.
You tell mommy, what did you do? What did you tell mommy, what did you do? Come on, tell mommy.
What did you do today?
What did you do?
What did you do? Bye-bye. What did you do today?
What? You what? You slide there?
Just now you see.
And what did you do more?
What
What
more?
did you do? You tell mommy. Come on. Come on. You do your first day. What is that? TV. I will toss it to you.
Ah, sige ba?
She's great. My God.
Do you like it?
Like it?
How about tomorrow? Are you coming back to me again?
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Sophie, bye.
Say bye
See
na
you
nga.
tomorrow. Ay, bye.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Pero kasi
Take off na your shoes. Ano mga pre, dito na uli siya. Pauwi na tayo.
By looking at her, parang she enjoyed.
Ha?
By looking at her, I feel like she enjoyed.
Yeah, mukha naman siya nag-enjoy.
Yeah, like she was jumping there. Ay, sumilip.
Are you really happy? Yes? What's that?
It's mosquito bites.
May mga classmates ka na doon? Ha? Ilan classmates mo? Sabi, ilan classmates mo? Ilan?
How many classmates?
2? You have 2 classmates? Yes. Baka di pa siguro pumapasok yung iba, no?
Siyempre, first day, usually they don't.
Oo,
It's
bata.
not really like school.
Yeah. Alam niyo mga pre, nakaka-proud din pala na imagine na pag-aaral mo na yung anak mo sa early age pa lang. Do you feel like that or no?
No.
You don't? I don't know, parang nakaka-proud sa parent.
No, this was like
It's normal?
necessity, like
Huh?
needed.
Necessity. Hindi, siguro dahil kasi hindi lahat dito sa Pilipinas, hindi pa pinapapasok yung anak nila sa ng maaga.
Oh, wait.
Diba? Yung iba 4 years old, 5, dahil yun yung kailangan sa school.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
On us
so-
kasi, it's really needed to put in kindergarten
Bakit?
on that age. Usually when parents don't, they've been like judged.
Ah, really?
Mm.
Dito kasi parang dati, may mga sinasabi sila na kaya nila nilalagay yung anak nila ng maagang age, like 2 years old, kasi tamad lang daw yung magulang. Ayaw nilang turuan yung anak nila. So,
Ah.
kaya nila nilalagay. Pwede namang hindi, turuan mo na lang sa bahay. Ganun,
Pwede
ganun.
din, but...
Diba? Pero iba talaga yung iba yung professional sa yung mga nagtuturo sa kanila din eh. At syempre, hindi ibig sabihin nun, wala ka nang gagawin sa bahay. Kaya nga ayaw talaga namin ng whole day. Kasi gusto namin may part kami na tinuturo kay Sobi. Hindi lang yung school lang yung nagbibigay, nagtuturo lahat. Yun. Kaya parang feeling ko lang, nakaka-proud lang din na si Sobi nasa school na hinahatid natin.
I mean, I don't know, I don't feel like proud or something, but I just like it too. Hatid sundo, like she
Yun
have
nga,
school, the
siguro
routine.
Siguro lang talaga parang feeling ko lang nakaka-proud dahil hindi kami ganun dati.
Ah, maybe. On us kasi we went to kinder
Parang
also.
hindi normal sa amin yung ganun.
Ah,
Na
maybe.
hindi ka pinag-aaral ng early age. So dapat ganun ka na pag 4 years old ng 5 years old.
Maybe, I don't know.
Siguro, ewan ko lang, baka ako lang yun.
Maybe, because on us
ganun.
we go to school early.
So yun lang mga pre, gusto lang talaga namin ding i-share para may recording kami ng first day of
First day
school
of school.
ni Sobi.
Bakit it's June?
June naman kasi talaga sa amin sa Pilipinas.
Bakit hindi September?
Hindi ko nga alam, pinalitan nila dati ng September, tapos naging June ulit. Tapos siguro okay
Diba
na.
June is considered sa... Let's go sleep, nyang nung
Sleep ka na, okay?
Mm.
Yeah, sleep na Sobi. Yeah, matutulog na rin si Sobi. Kaya sakto yun after school, tulog na uli. So,
More extended time, like parang...
sa ating dalawa,
Yeah.
diba? Ayun si Sobi.
I'm going outside.
And what will you do?
I'm busy.